In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and maintain a visual roadmap. By the end, you'll have a clear living plan that shows what's coming, who's responsible, and when work is expected to land. Start by creating a dedicated project for your roadmap. Give it a short, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Add a brief description that explains the scope, the audience, and what the roadmap covers, like a product line or a team initiative. Setting this context up front helps everyone understand what belongs here and what doesn't, which keeps the roadmap focused and trustworthy. Next, add sections that organize the work by time periods, phases, or priority levels. You might group by quarters for long-range planning, by phases such as discovery, build, and launch, or by must have, should have, and nice to have. Choose one organizing scheme to start and apply it consistently. Clear section names make scanning the roadmap fast and reduce confusion when priorities shift. Now, add your roadmap items as tasks or milestones. Use tasks for work that spans days or weeks, and milestones for single significant checkpoints like approvals or releases. Keep titles concise and action-oriented and add a one-sentence description so the purpose is obvious at a glance. If you have specs, briefs, or tickets, link them in the task so details are one click away. For each item, add an owner, due dates, dependencies, and any custom fields you need. Assign exactly one accountable owner to ensure clear responsibility, and include collaborators in the description if needed. Set realistic dates, even if they're placeholders, so the schedule can be visualized. Capture dependencies to show which tasks must finish before others begin. This prevents accidental overlaps and highlights critical paths. Create custom fields for things like status, priority, effort, or risk. These fields make filtering, sorting, and reporting much more powerful and help you balance scope against capacity. Switch to the timeline view to see the roadmap visually. With start and end dates in place, you'll be able to spot overlaps, gaps, and bottlenecks immediately. Drag bars to adjust durations, zoom in or out for the right level of detail, and group by section or owner to check workload and sequencing quickly. Finally, update the roadmap regularly as priorities and deadlines change. Review it on a consistent cadence, move items between sections when focus shifts, adjust dates if upstream work slips, and mark milestones complete. Keep status fields current and note significant changes so the history stays clear. Treat the roadmap as a living source of truth, and it will reliably guide planning, communication, and execution.